Today, I'll show you how to add a link in Surveymonkey. Whether you're creating a survey for customer feedback, research, or just gathering opinions, adding a link can be a powerful tool to guide your respondents to additional resources or further actions. Let's dive right in and make your survey more interactive and informative. First, let's start by heading over to surveymonkey.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you log into your account if you haven't already. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to proceed. SurveyMonkey is a versatile platform, and accessing it is the first step to creating and enhancing your survey. Once you've logged in, you'll see the dashboard, which is the central hub for all your survey activities. Now, look for the option labeled All Surveys. It's usually on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on this option to see a list of all the surveys you've created so far. If it's your first time, this section might be empty, but don't worry, you can create a new survey anytime. Next, select the survey where you want to add a link. Simply click on the survey title to open it. This will take you to the survey overview page where you can start editing and making enhancements. Adding a link is just one of the many ways you can customize your survey to better suit your needs. With your survey open, look at the top of the page and find the Build option. It's located in the top left corner. Clicking on Build will allow you to modify and add new elements to your survey. This is where the magic happens, so go ahead and click on it. Now, from the list of elements you can add to your survey, find and click on the single text box option. This feature allows you to create a question or statement where respondents can type their answers. In this case, we'll use it to add a text prompt that includes the link. In the text box that appears, type in a text example like, "Click this link." This is the text that your respondents will see and click on to follow the link. Make sure it's clear and concise, inviting them to take the action you want. With your text typed out, look for the Insert/Edit Link button. This option typically appears as a chain link icon in the text editing toolbar. Click on it to start the process of adding your hyperlink. A dialog box will pop up, prompting you to enter the URL and the display name. The URL is the web address you want your respondents to visit, while the display name is how the link will appear in your survey. Make sure the URL is correct and the display name is descriptive enough for your respondents to know what to expect when they click on it. Finally, select the target for your link. This determines whether the link opens in the same window or a new one. Once you've set your preferred target, click OK to insert the link into your survey. And there you have it. You've successfully added a link to your SurveyMonkey survey. This simple addition can enhance the functionality of your survey, providing respondents with more information or directing them to further actions. Thanks for watching and happy surveying.